Just imagine it, chatting to a chimp and chimpanzee. Hello. Fascinating.
Imagine talking to a tiger.
Chatting to a cheetah.
What a neat achievement it would be.
If we could talk to the animals, learn their languages, maybe take an animal degree.
We study elephant and eagle, buffalo and beagle,
Alligator, guinea pig, and snake.
We would converse in polar bear and python. We would curse in fluent kangaroo.
If people asked us like, can you speak rhinoceros? We'd say, of course, Russ. Can't you?
If we conferred with our furry friends,
Among two animals, think of all the things we could discuss.
If we could walk with the animals, talk with the animals, run and squeak and squawk with the animals, and they could talk to us.
If we consulted with quadrupeds, think what fun we'd have asking over crocodiles for tea.
Or maybe lunch me to our tree lines, walruses and sea-lions. That's a lovely place that birds would be.
If we spoke slang to orangutans,
They had advantages. Any fool on earth could fly in the sea.
discussing Eastern art and dramas with intellectual llamas, that's a big step forward, you'll agree.
Or we want to speak an antelope and turtle. Our Pekingese would be extremely good.
If we were asked to sing in hippopotamus, we'd say we're none of us. And would.
And we are sure every octopus, plaice and platypus certainly would see it as a plus. If we could walk with the animals, talk with the animals, grunt and squeak and squawk with the animals, and they could talk to us. We studied every living creature's language, so we could speak to all of them on sight.
If friends said, can you talk in crab or pelican? We'd say like, yeah, we can. And we